Let's go for the first quarter. Start. White ball. Ball po na Light Dragons. Nakakuha. Steal. By number... Number natin. Number 3. Okay. And number 4. No good. Nakakuha yung number 37. Bombay number 37. 37. Pass to number 1. Number 1 na ito. Number 3. Number 11. 11. Pass to number 8. Number 10, for 3, no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 25, out of bounds. Fight ball po tayo. Sige, tingnan nyo lang. Malabo kasi yung mga number eh. Na kayo magsalita.
Kinukurik niya bro eh.
Number 10, kasi number 37, wala. Deflected by number 22. Number 22. 22, diretso. Pass to number 25. And a foul committed by... Number? Number 0? May 0 ba? Number 14, 14. Kasi ayos na... Number 25, pass to number 4. Number 4, number 22, 2 points. 2 points ko tayo. Sigaw na. Assist, number 4. Paso number 14. Number 14. Okay. Number ano ba si... Rebound by number... Ako, ulit number 11. Number 11, no good. Rebound, number 9. 9 ba no? Number 9. Number 9. Official score 2-0. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 25. Number 25 for 2. No good. Nakakuha yung number 11. 11 for the rebound. And 14. Number 14. Another 2 points. All 2. All 2 na po ang score natin. Number 9. Nakakuha ni number 20. Ito ba ito? Number 14. Another 2 points.
Turnover.
Sige lang ako. 7 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number... Ano na yung ba ito? Number 4. Number 4, 2. Number 4 for the rebound and a shot. 2 points. Official score, all 4. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14, to number 10. Oh, good. Rebound by. Hindi ko makita talaga yung number niya. Sorry. Number 25. Nakakuha number 25. Labo eh. Sabi, paayos yung ano eh. Number 1, for the rebound. Number 11, no good. Rebound, number 25. Number 25, dinidiretso. Number 25, pass to number, sayang, nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. And no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, rebound. Time remaining 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 22, diretso, no good. Rebound by number 25. 25 for 2, no good pa rin. Rebound by number 11. 11, pass to number 1. Number 1 for 3, no good. Nakakuha ni number 9 ng Celestia. Number 9, dinidiretso. Pass to, hindi ko makita talaga number niya. Number 11. Number 11, number 10 pala yan. Number 14 for 3, no good. Nakakuha number 10. Number 25. Number 25, diretso, wala. Number 10, rebound. Number 9 for 2, no good ba rin? Ilang. Number 14, nakakuha ang bola. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 10, 2 points. 5 minutes. Meron ba ka daw mag-sub? Wala. Sabi lang ha, time out and sub. Punta lang dito sa comedy table. Score natin, 6-4. In favor of Light Dragons. Yun lang. Pero lapit lang for the sub. Number 10. Number 10, 14 to shoot. And ano po yun?
3 seconds.
Teka lang. All 6.
3 seconds yun, 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Official score po natin, all 6. Time remaining 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Sabre pag ano, dead ball. Sabre pag dead ball. Number 10, no good. Rebound by number 10. 2 points. 8-6 po ang ating score.
Rebound niya rin yan pala.
Dead ball po, sub tayo ah. Dead ball sub, rep. Number 22, pass to number 4. 4 minutes, time remaining. 4 to number 22, no good. Nakuha ni number 4 yan. And no good. Nakuha ni number 28, pass to number 14. Number 14, 2 points.
Score ni number 3.
Dead ball po, sub. Apa? Dead ball, okay. 10-6 po ang ating score. Number 25, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Diskarte. Ay na, bigay na, okay na.
5 to shoot. Ayun, sakto lang. Number 28 for the rebound. 3 minutes, 16 seconds. Okay na po ay mga motor. Ayan, thank you. Ito yung ano. Next pala din natin yung parking dito. Tapos dito. Hey, back to the ball game. Hindi ka rin tagalit yung bata. Number, ako. Ano tayo? 13? Sige. Ano naman? Number 13. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Dragons to. Number 7, pass 2. Diba? Number 37. Number 10, logo. Dribble by number 13. Number 13. 13. Diretso. Logo. Number 25, the rebound. And logo. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Time remaining 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Innovero for 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 84. No good. Rebound by number 4. Score pa rin is 10-6. Number 13. Nagdadala ng bola. Atake. Pass to number 25. And a quick shot for 2. 8-10 ang ating score. Number 25. It's 10. Number 10, no good. Rebound by... nasave pa na rin. Number 10. Number 10, deflected by number 4. Blocked by number 4. 14. 14. What's up? As number 10, nakuha. Number 29, number 13, nakuha ang bola. And number 25, number 25, 1 minute, 10 seconds, and 2 points. Score po natin, all 10. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Naramang ang natitira. LA, no good. Number 84 and a foul. 50 seconds remaining. Foul po. Number 13. Number 13. Foul ba to? Foul.
Stay there. Stay. You stay.
All 10 po ang score natin. First shot. Sa point, 11. 11. Isa lang, diba? 11. Number 13, no good. Rebound by number 25. Nakuha ni 84. Number 2. Number 2. May diretso ba? Ipapasa. At ay nakakampi. Number 2. And for 3 points sa Olivera. 14-10 ang ating score. Time remaining 40 seconds. Balbawa, nakakuha. 84 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. And out of bounds. 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Official score 14-10. 25 seconds. Fifteen to shoot. Banda. Number 10. 10 to shoot. 2 points. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
May talent ka talaga, boy. Cameraman ka na lang.
Susunod na laro natin.
Wag.
Bas?
Yaring boy, lakas yan eh. Tulyado yan eh. Tulyado yan eh. Dalawang rebound. Ay, tama ba? Dalawang rebound.
Dalawa.
Isa lang yun.
Dalawa.
Paul, Miss Paulette, number 28. First personal foul.
Nakampi ni Russell ko eh.
Number 15. First shot. It's a good one.
Shooting.
Ako magaling siya.
The second shot.
Laki pa.
And no good. Rebound by LA. University. LA. Okay, number 14. Nandun pala sa dulo. 18-11.
Hindi nasundan ng camera ko eh.
Ating score.
Kasalanan po ni Boden yun.
15 to shoot. Number 2. No good. Nakakuha ulit ni LA. Bonifacio for the rebound.
May extra pitik po yun ang pagka-rebound.
Steal by number 2. Number 2 na.
Grabe si Eli eh.
Diretso, paso number 22. Nakakuha ba? LA once again for the rebound. 28. Bernardo. Paso number 1. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 na to, no? Number 2.
Ay, number
Paso number 15.
15 pa.
15 to shoot. 15, 2 points. Official score 13-18. Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 1, dribbling the ball. To number 28. For 3 points, so good. Rebound by number 1. Bacanso.
God, Mark. Palakal.
At Bacanso, fouls 2. Wala po. It's a turnover.
Nice pass, Mark.
Official score 18-13. Time remaining 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Tara. Si JK for 3, no good. Nakakuha ni number 61. So number 15.
Karanda.
Number 15, dahil nagpapasahan. And paso number 61. 61 na ba? 15 to shoot.
Pang.
Number 61. Oh, 2 points. Sa may kasama pa.
61 and 1.
Pag inano talaga, hawi
Foul
lahat eh.
committed by number 28. Ano to? Second
28.
personal foul. 28 no? Second personal foul. Time remaining 7 minutes 25 seconds. 15-18.
Kalaban namin
First shot.
kagabi.
Bakit?
Hindi sumipot eh.
Takot sila.
Oh, good.
Tangin eh, sayang laro na pala dapat.
Hindi.
Tatlo na lang
Nagpapawis naman kami
kalamangan.
kagabi.
Number 1, nagmamadali. Pass
Hindi.
number 14 for
Naglaro na lang
3.
kami.
No good. Rebound yan. Number 2. Number 2. Dumiretso ba? Dumiretso. 2 points.
Sayang, ang daming nanonood eh.
17-18. Artificial score.
Dapat dito pa yung bola eh. Kahit makikita
Sinasabi ko lang, sinasabi ko lang to.
Kahit ako nakatingin.
Hindi ko naman sinabi mali ka, sinasabi ko lang. Hindi ibig sabihin na mali ka na agad.
Dribbling the ball. Napapasahan, paso number 1. Number
Galit
1
ako.
for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 15. Sorry. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, Dumiretso. No good. Rebound wala. Hindi nakuha na si 7. Paso number 2.
Rebound 24.
Number 2. 2 points. Lamang na po.
Rebound assist 24, score 2.
Celestial Dragons.
Sa'yo yan to.
19-18.
Sige lang, tatawagan natin.
Ah.
Steve.
Number 61, Steve. Number 2. Sige lang. Sige lang.
Number 2.
Number 2. Wala. Nakuha ni number 28. Rebound by number 28. And a foul.
May take ba si Sayo?
Everywhere.
Bernardo 28.
On. Foul by number 2. Number 2.
Loaded yan.
Labas lang daw.
Palabas lang. Wala. 5 minutes, 45 seconds. Number 1. Paso number 37. No good. Rebound by.
Nauna tumalun si Eli.
Nauna siya. Out of bounds tayo. Score 18-19 in favor of Celestial.
Alamang na sila ano.
5 minutes, 25 seconds. Number 2, dribbling the ball. Lamang na po ang Celestial ng isa. Number 2. Pass to number 15. Wala. Rebound by LA. Bonifacio.
Eli Bonifacio.
Bonifacio. Pass to number 1. 5 minutes.
Nice pass ka.
Nice passing down. Number 2, steal by number 2. And a foul committed by number 14. Time remaining 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Sub, rep, sub. Tayo. Labas ang lalabas. Pasok ang papasok. Time remaining 4 minutes and 53 seconds.
Tama ba? 61?
Number 61.
61. Laki na dyan.
Bacanso. Dribbling the ball.
Tagal naman.
Pass to number 2. Number 2, try to shot 3. No good. Nakakuha ni number, rebound by number 10 ha. Pass to number 1. Number 1, hanap ng papasahan.
Nice pass.
Number 1, nice pass to number 11 to number 2. No good. Rebound by number 61. Number 2. Number 2. 2 points. 21 ang score to 18. Lamang pa rin ang Celestial.
Number 2 pa.
21-18 po tayo ha. Balba for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Pasa kay number 4. Oh, it's an out of bounds. Kanino rep? Off bola?
Loose ball rep.
Loose ball.
Same ball. Same ball. Same ball daw.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sa pautal time.
3 minutes and 50 seconds. Black ball. Okay. So number 22. 2 points. The score 23-18 in favor of Celestial Dragons.
Alam mo yung number?
Number 2, in the ball. Number yun. Number 21. 21, 24. 24. Number 24. Sorry.
Kobe.
3 points. And number 10, no good. Rebound by number 11. No good. Nakuha ni number 10. Ayan, at foul. Ano ba? First foul, right?
Sige sir, ano yun natin mamaya.
Number
I-review din
60.
natin.
Oh, 23 na yan. 23.
Number 61. First personal foul.
Ah, 23 na yan. Nandito na sana. Nasa
23.
cellphone. Ako nga.
Kunin mo nga
White
kasi
ball,
yan.
white ball po tayo.
Ikaw na kasi mag-ano, pre, kinaikot. Dito ka.
Number 10. Wala, nakuha yung bakal. So, number 1. Dribbling na ball. Number 1, binigay ko number 15. Wala, nakuha rin number 15. Oh, rebound by number 15. And a foul. Committed by number...
Ano number na ito? Labas lang.
Two shot.
Foul dun. Number po, number 2. Who's foul red? Number 84. Malba. Number 4, 2 shots lang. First shot. First shot is good. 24. 18. Second shot. Second shot is good too. 25-18. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 1. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Back to number 10. And no good. Rebound by number 61. Number 2. Number 2, Dinerecho, 2 points. 27-18. Long score. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 1 to number 10. 2 points sa may kasama foul. First foul, right?
Number 1.
1, Bacanza. Number 1. 27. 2 shots.
Bonus draw.
Lang. Okay. Oh, good. Rebound by number 61. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 15. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2. Larot. Larot. Marami kong papasahan. 15 to shoot. Number 23. 24 no? 24. Rebound by number 1. To number 61, no good. Rebound by number 10. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 11. Number 11, no good. Nakakuha pa rin number 11. Wala pa rin. 11, once again. Rebound. Number 1 and natara. 3 seconds to the turnover. Kaya lang. 1 minute remaining for the second quarter. Layo, dribbling the ball. Sa papasahan. 15 to shoot. Nahulog. Number 1, Steve. And a foul committed na number 2. 38 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Foul na number 2. 2 shots for number 1. First shot. Oh, good. Second shot. Official score 27-20. Second shot. It's no good. Rebound by number 61. 35 seconds.
Sino pumasok?
And sa turnover. Turnover tayo. Ayun lang. Time remaining 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Balba to number 1. To number 10. 3 points. 23-27. Official score. 15 to shoot. Number 2. 2 points. 29. 23, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And like.
Maliwala po. Okay. Lumabak sila una, pre.
Legit to, legit.
ano mo? Start. Lock, ready. 14 to number 14 to number 10. For 3, no good. Rebound by. Nakakuha. Black ball. Last touch. Number 28. Number 4 to number 25. Nagmamadali. And 2 points. 31-23 ang ating score. Number 14, nagdadala ng bola. Number 14, nagtuturo. Pass to number 37 to number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 10, a fake and a foul. Committed by number 10. Tanda? All number 10. Tinaw niya si number 10.
Foul, number 10.
Time remaining 9 minutes. First shot. Very good.
Shot.
For the second shot. Second shot is no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 13. Nakakuha yung ibang number 14. Still by number 14. 14, nagdadala ng bola. 14, hanap papasahan. 12, number 8. Paso number 37. DK, no good. And out of bounds. Black ball po tayo. Time remaining 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Black ball. Number 22. Dadala ng bola. Number 22, pass to number 4. Pinipos, no good. Nakakuha ang number 37. Binato ang bola to number 14. It's no good. Rebound kay number 10. Binigay kay number 13. Number 13 to number 25. Ay, 2 points. 33-23. Ang score po natin, 10 ang kalamangan. Selection Dragons. Bernardo. JC. JC, pass to number 14. Number 14. 2 points yan. So number 14. 25-33. Ang ating score. Walang kalamangan. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Ito po si Yaoshi. Yaoshi, pass to number 13. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 22. Number 22 to number 25. Nakalibre yun. 2 points. 35-25. Sampu ulit ang kalamangan. LA. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Kahit mapapasahan, tumira na rin. Alright. Nakakuha number 13 for the rebound. And nakakuha number 14. Number 14. Dribbling the ball at nasa laksak. Paso number 10. So good. Ano po yun? Ocon?
Traveling.
Traveling. Number 4, labas ang bola. Number 13, pass to number 25. Number 25. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 4 for 3 points. So good. Nakuha ni number 10 for the rebound. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
6 minutes.
Number 14. Alam papasahan. 15 to shoot for 3 points. 20-35. Ang score natin. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Time remaining. Number 13, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 10. Number 10, tumira. And at 2 points, 37-28 ang score natin. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Inovero. Harap ang papasahan. And tumira ng 3. Go good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 na ako. Muntik lang. 25. And another 2 points. Number 25. 39-28. Number 14. Padala ng bola. And isa pa ulit. Wala.
Number
Wala.
25. 25 ba?
Number 25 po. Wala. Second shoot ka na. Inovero for 3. 31-39 na natin score. 30. Again, 132. Foul Daya. Is foul red?
Number 8.
Ano score? 32. Dito, table. Ay, hindi. Ayun na yan, nandito yung special score.
Pasok ba yun? Pasok?
First shot.
Taas.
Yes, good. 40-32. Wala po ang kalamangan. 4 minutes, 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. EK for 3, no good. Back on number 22 for the rebound. 40, Alex, out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes in the third quarter. 37, dribbling the ball. 37, pass to number 14, pass to number 10 for 3. No good. Nakuha ay number 4. Number 4 to number 13. Number 13, tumatakbo. And pass to number 25. And up to please for 2 points. 42-32. 10 ulit ang kalamangan. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 14, dribbling the ball. So number 37, pinasa kay number 10, 2 points. 34-42. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Time remaining.
3 minutes, 5 seconds.
Number 13, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Number 4, nakakuha ni number 10. Number 10, pinasa kay number 14. Number 14 for 3. No good. And out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 44 seconds. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Number 13. Dribbling the ball. Number 13. Pinasa kay number 25. Number 25, 15 to shoot. And no good. Rebound kay number 84. Binigay kay number 37. JK, dribbling the ball. Binigay kay number 14. No good. No bounce. Number 25. Dribbling the ball. And no good. Nakuha ni number 10 for the rebound. Pass to number 37. Number 37 for 3. 3 points. 37. 42 ang score natin. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Time remaining. 13. Dribbling the ball. Number 13. Kuha. Number 25. Pinasa ka number 4 for 3 points. 45-37. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 14. Number 14 for 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 4 for the rebound. Number 10. Number 10 for 2. Wala. 34 for the rebound. 1 minute 25 seconds. 45-37. DK for 3. No good. Rebound by number 25. 1 minute 15 seconds. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Atake na naman. And no good. Nakuha ni number 10 for the rebound. Bumomba and a foul. Time remaining 59 seconds. Foul committed by number 4. Official score for
2 shot.
37.
13 points.
13 foul. First shot. First shot is good. The second shot. 59 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Second shot is good. 39-45 ang score natin. Number 13, dribbling na ball. 13. Hanap ng papasahan. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 25, go good. Nakakuha na. May number 27. 35 seconds. Number 14. 15 to shoot. Go good. Nakakuha ni number 13. 25 seconds remaining for the third quarter.
Bang.
No good. Nakakuha ni number 7. 15 seconds. 14.
Pasok.
3 points. 10 seconds.
10 seconds, rally time! 5 seconds!
5 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds na lang. Okay, again. Last quarter tayo ha. Number 23. Okay. Start. Paso number 29. Number 29, binalik kay number 24. Number 24, labi tayo ng bola. Ayan. Number 1, nagdadala ng bola. And 15 to shoot. LA! Present. 3 points. Present na? Di ba? Ay, hindi. Sorry. 3 points sana. Number 9. Pass. Nakahuli. Number 28. Number 28. Nakakuha pa rin number 2. Still by number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 15. Parang fake, pero wala. And kaya ng bola. Bola na right ball. Time remaining 8 minutes 50 seconds. 45-42. Labang may score sa ating fourth quarter. Number 1. Number 1 for 2. No good. Rebound. Sige ulit. Line ball na raw po. Sabi na. Time remaining 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 9. Naglabas ng bola. Pass to number 2. Back to number 9.
Graduate na turnover yun ah.
Number 9. Diretso. Sa 2 points. 47-42. Yung mga nakalangangan. Selection Dragons. Number 28. Nagdadala ng bola. Number 28. Pass to number 11. Number 11. 15 to shoot. Number 11. 10 to shoot. And 2 points for number 11. Agora 44-47. Number 9, dribbling the ball. To number 24, 15 to shoot. Number 24 to number 2. No good. Nakakuha niya. Nakakuha number 1. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. No good. Nakakuha ni number 9 to number 2. Binigay kay number 23 to number 15. Kaso lumusot. And out of bounds. Bola na po. It's a turnover. Bola ng Light Dragons. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Time remaining po tayo. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. 47-44. 11.
Traveling.
And Natara Bidding. 7 minutes. Ito tayo. Number 2. Number 2. Diretso. No good. Rebound by number 15. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Diretso ba? Black or foul? Foul by number 9. Foul by number 9.
First team foul.
First team foul.
This fourth quarter.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Eating ko, time remaining 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Number 1. First shot is good. 45%. Sabre! Amen, dead ball. Amen.
Sinisan lang natin may mag-scoop.
Second shot. Second shot is good. Sabre. Official score 46-47. Isang lang kalamaan ha. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 2. Si number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Ano pa pasahan? Paso nakuha ni number 28. Yan. Number 1. No good. Nakakuha ni number 15.
Time out pag ganun,
Number 15. Oh, time out daw dead ball. And nilapag pero wala. Rebound by number 22. So number 15, 2 points. Wala isa. Time out dead ball. Time remaining 6 minutes. 49-46. Tatlo lang kalamangan. Celestial. Number 1. Number 1, no good. And out of bounds. Black ball.
Time out, boss! Dead ball sa dead ball.
Sa dead ball. And ayun ang dead ball. Kitang-kita. Alright.
Time out muna.
Time out. And 28 seconds. 46-49 po ang score natin. Okay? Sa ball game. Number 1, no good.
15! Rebound ni 15 pare.
15 rebound.
Turnover.
It's a turnover. Sayang ang basa. 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Time remaining. Number 1, pass to number 37.
5 minutes!
Number 1. Pass to number 10. Number 10 for Tariq. No good. Number 13. Rebound by number 13. And number 15. Ayan na po. Ayan na, 2 points. 51-46. Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 14. Nagkababa ng bola. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Binalik kay number 37. 3 points. 49-51 ang ating score. Time remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Bacalso. Paso number 2. Number 2 points. 53-49. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Number 10. Paso number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 1, Tumira. And 2 points. 51-53. 4 minutes, time remaining.
Dinakita.
Ay, pag gumaganda yung mga
Dinakita ni
laban
Portier.
natin.
Hindi tayo rep eh.
Oo.
Umipit
Number
eh.
13. Dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot.
Simple lang eh.
And the number 15, no good. Rebound by itself. 2 points lang. 55-51. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 14, nagkakain na best.
Loko.
Kaso, napunta kay number 1. Number 1.
Lock.
No good. Kuha number 13 yun. Number 13. Atake. And a number 2. Wala. Isa pa ulit. 2 points for number 2.
So may rebound.
57-51.
Ayun, yun ang may assist.
3 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 10 for 3 points. 54-57. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Ang dami nga ba mga kaibigan? 15 to shoot. Number 61. Ika. 10 to shoot. Nakuha. Turnover tayo dyan. And number 14. 2 points. Isa na lang po ang kailangan. 56.
Warning.
Alright. Ay tayo. Warning to delay yung game tayo dyan. 3:30. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Number 13, malaksak. Hinasa pala. Kaso, nakuha agad. Number 14, nag-isa. Ito ang White Dragons. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 2. Foul. Foul, committed by number 10. Time out. Oh, time out pag ano. Time out po. Sila na lang. Wala nila. Invent sila. Hey! 59 seconds ba? 59. Number 15. Number 15. 2 points. 59, 58. 1 minute and 14.
Walang na... Mga kipibot.
Lamang na po. Ang kabila. 14 to shoot. Number 1. Go to. Rebound by number 61. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Number 2. And another 2 points. 61, 58. Lamang na po. Ang Celestial Dragons. Nang tatlo.
Layo.
Number 10,
Layo.
Portillo. 1 minute, 10 seconds. 15. To number 2. Number 2 and a foul. Blocking call. Number 1.
Wala pa.
Number 10.
Number 1 na. Ano diba?
Pangilan. Second team foul pa lang.
Second pa lang. Second team
Second
foul
pa lang.
1 minute, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Okay. 15. Pass 2. And
Second pa lang. Ayan. Third team foul.
13 foul. 54 seconds. 54 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. Another. Eric, 50 seconds. It's a turnover. 6 to 50 seconds.
50 seconds!
50 seconds.
Deke, pwesto.
Para intense. Ayun na.
Number 1. Nakuha ni number 30. 35 seconds. 50.
Wala na dami.
Number 15, 2 points, 22 seconds.
Dagat.
Ano rin? 15 to shoot. Wow, good. Rebound by number 10 seconds. Okay.
Good.
5 seconds. Other 2 points. And of the building. Counted yun, 64.